Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my trading world. I would like to show you today how to determine support and resistance levels and how to try to predict the further price movement on different market situations. And if you are interested in how to trade successfully, please take notes today because this is super important, because the good trading is just all about experience. I will really appreciate if you put a big thumbs up to this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss my new videos and we always stay in touch. Also guys, I have a closed group where I'm sharing trading signals for free, and if you want to get into this group, then text me code word signal. You will see it on the screen on my Telegram. I left the link in the description box. So guys, let's get started. So guys, as I said in the beginning of the video, I want to show you how to determine the support level, the resistance level, and how to try to predict future price movements. So to analyze the market, I use a 15-second time frame, and which means that one candle is formed within 15 seconds. Personally, for me, it's more convenient and more informative, and in your situation, you can use any time frame for technical analysis as you feel comfortable. At the same time, the essence of building doesn't change, it's just that they open deals for a longer time on a higher time frames. But also, of course, I want to warn you right away that every situation is considered individually. We will try to find different situations on market, and please watch this video till the end. Maybe this way will be really helpful for you and you will use it on your trading. So guys, let's start it and consider the first market situation. In this situation, we see that there was a good confident upward movement. We also see there was a reversal from a certain point. If we rewind the chart to the left, we will see that the price has already approached this area before, and the same thing happened this time, and I set the level for the upper values of these candles. Thus, we have determined the resistance level. Here, in this situation, we will open a deal for 1 minute to go down. Since we see that there has been a reversal from the level and the price is moving down, this level is quite strong because last time the price moved in the pro-trading zone and it couldn't break through it. Also, after a long time, the price has reached this level and touched it for the first time. After that, there was a confident pullback down, which means that it is more likely that this level will not be broken in the near future yet. It is in this situation that I think that I will have time to work on its downward movement, and 1 minute here will be quite enough. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Great guys, as you can see, the price is really rolling down and we have made a profit. 1 minute here was quite enough. Let's continue and consider the falling market situation. Here we also see that there was a good confident and downward movement. Also from a certain point there was a reversal and a slight pullback up. Let's set horizontal line along the lower values of these candles. This is how we determine the level of support. We see that the price is approaching our level for the second time in the last 5 minutes, and in this situation I will open a deal for 1 minute to go down. Because at the moment the price is already starting to go beyond this level, we see that the price is in excellent potential for a decline. It is more likely that this level will be broken. We also see on the left side that there has already been a false breakout. This is the place where the wick of the red candle goes beyond the level. The price as a whole is moving down quite confidently. I think that 1 minute here will be quite enough, and we will get into a very impulsive movement of the price down into the very breakout of the level. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. That's quite good guys. As you can see, the level was indeed broken and we made a profit. The price has an excellent potential for a decline. 1 minute here was quite enough. Let's try to look for other situations in the market. Here we see guys that at the moment the price is moving down. There is an upward pullback, there is also a certain internal level of support. The price passes the last price minimum and moves lower. Also the overall price potential is going down. Also the price lows and price highs are getting lower. The price is moving towards the support level. The main support level is slightly lower. there is a high probability that the price will move directly to the main support level, and in this situation we will try to make money on the approach to the level. 2 minutes also with the margin taking into account that the price may fall into the pro-trading zone or there may be an upward pullback. Since, as you can see, the price moves in waves, there's always a pullback after a downward movement. I think that in this situation 2 minutes will be quite enough for us. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, it's not bad guys, the price continues to move down and we have made a profit. There is also very little time left before the main support level. Now I'm going to watch the price for a bit and we'll try to work directly at the very level. And so guys, here we see that their price is already approaching the main support level, and let's set a horizontal line along the lower values of these candles. Here we see that the price has already touched this level and there has also been an upward pullback, and after the pullback there was a slight attenuation. In this situation I suggest opening a deal also for 2 minutes to go down. I think that in the near future the price will continue to move towards the level since the overall price potential is also going down. Just at the level the price begins to slow down, and since a reaction also occurs from the level, after all the level is a certain area of resistance for the price, and therefore it is quite normal that the price begins to slow down in the vicinity of the level. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well guys, it's quite good, the price continued to move down to the level and we made a profit. Let's try to look for some other situations on the market. So guys, here we also see that there is an upward movement. Let's try to rewind the graph to the left and find the top point for a given period of time. Now let's put a horizontal line with the surface value of these candles, thus we determine the resistance level. The price has previously touched this area. Here I also suggest opening a deal with a margin of 3 minutes to go up, since at the moment the price is moving up quite confidently and there is still space to reach the resistance level. The price has a good potential to increase. Also, the main price lows are getting higher. It is quite possible that in this situation the price will continue to move directly to the very level. 3 minutes also with the margin taking into account possible pro trade or a small pullback down. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, quite good guys. As you can see, the price really continues its upward movement and we have made a profit. We also see that at the moment the price continues to move towards our level. The price is moving up quite confidently with the pulsed green candle, and in this situation I propose to prepare a deal for 1 minute. Just at the moment we see that the price of the next green candle has broken through this level. It is more likely that after an impulse approach to the level as well as an impulse breakout, there will be a pullback down. At this moment we open a deal for 1 minute to go down. Just at the moment the price has stopped. As a rule in such situation 1 minute here will be quite enough. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. That's great guys. As you can see, the price really got into the correction zone and there was a pullback down. We have made a profit here, so let's consider the following market situation. Here we see that there was a good confident upward movement. Let's try to rewind the graph into the left and look for the top point for a given period of time. Let's put a horizontal line along the upper values of these candles. The price has already touched this area before. The price here has a good potential to increase. It is more likely that the price will still move up in the near future. We also see that at the moment the price has not yet reached the resistance level. Therefore, in this situation we can open a deal to increase following an upward trend. 3 minutes also with a margin, taking into account possible pro trade or a small pullback down. So guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, that's not bad guys. As you can see, after a slight pullback down, the upward movement still continued. We made the profit. Also directly near the level itself, the price begins to fade since a reaction also occurs from the resistance level. But in this situation, we managed to work out exactly on the approach to the level. So guys, let's consider the following market situation. Here we also see that there was a downward movement. Revising the graph to the left, we'll see the bottom point of the specified time interval. Let's set a horizontal line along the lower values of these candles. We define this level as the support level since the price is approaching it from top to bottom. Here we also see that there is a downward movement to the support level. While there is still space, let's try to open a deal for 2 minutes to go down here. The price here has an excellent potential for a decline, with a high probability that the price will continue to move directly to the very level. I think that in this situation 2 minutes will also be quite enough, even taking into account possible pro trade or a small pullback up. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. So guys, it's not bad. As you can see, the price really continued to move down and this level was broken. And we made a profit, of course. The price has an excellent potential for a decline. I already have $4,000 on deposit and I propose to open last deal for today. So I will try to find situation and we'll continue. So guys, here we also see a certain situation. Let's choose the right tools. Let's take the horizontal line and the trend line. We will put the horizontal line on the upper values of these candlesticks and we'll put the trend line on the price minimums. Thus, the figure of technical analysis is an ascending triangle. At the moment the price is approaching the end of this figure, we'll open a deal for 2 minutes to go up. I think that in this situation in the near future there will be a logical exit from this figure, that is, there will be a breakout of the resistance level and the price will go further. 2 minutes also with a margin, taking into account possible pro trade or a small pullback down. I think that in this situation 2 minutes will be quite enough for us, even if the price continues to move in this figure for some time. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Alright guys, look at this. By the end of the figure the price slowed down, but still we made a profit. Although slowly but surely the price is already starting to go beyond the level, and it's more likely that in the near future the price will continue to move up and this level will be fully broken through. After all, in most cases this figure fulfills itself in this way. Sometimes there is a slower calm breakdown of the level and sometimes there are impulsive ones, but the most important thing is that we managed to make a profit. I already have almost $7,500 on deposit, so I think we end here. I complete the trades and leave the market. You could definitely notice that all the market situations are similar to each other. In fact, there are always similar situations on the market. Everything is always repeated in the trading, and the price always moves according to the same laws. So on the situations which we work today on our trading, you can find them also in your trading if you will pay attention and look for them really carefully. What we need is to recognize the situation in time and work on the situation in time. Then you will get a good result. As I said at the beginning of the video, that experience is super important for trading. You can acquire it just by trading all the time. And yeah, at the beginning it might be a bit difficult to find situations which one I showed you in my multiple videos, but step by step, try by try, you will make it much faster. You will find your own way and how you can do it more comfortably for you. My videos will help you for sure in that, to work with different indicators or just on support and resistance levels. And if you want to keep developing in trading, it's easy. You need to subscribe to this channel, put a big thumbs up to the video and turn notifications so you don't miss my new videos about different variants of tradings. And also guys, I have a closed group where I'm sharing trading signals for free. If you want to get into this group, then text me code word signal on my Telegram. I left the link on the description box. Thank you for watching this video guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.